If a girl doesn't get a little bit shy when you meet her for the first time, she doesn't find you physically attractive. If a girl fancies you, she will stand tall, pull her shoulders back, and suck her stomach in. A girl may not be into you if her feet are pointing away from you when she talks to you. When talking to a girl who is into you, she will raise the pitch of her voice. Women prefer older-looking men because they view older men as being more responsible and more capable. If a girl doesn't like you at all, she'll turn her head away from you when speaking to you. Women are naturally attracted to men who have a hunter's physique, broad shoulders, a wide chest, and a narrow waist. You can tell if a girl has fallen in love with you if she starts asking about your life or wanting your advice on her own life. If a girl is into you, she will share stories she wouldn't share with anyone else.